Question number 14. What does the author suggest is a possible indication of Nietzsche's impending mental collapse? Now, this one is mentioned in the last paragraph of the passage. Now, here it's written, he begins his fateful intellectual autobiography. He was to lose his mind little more than a month later. Now, with three eyebrow raising sections entitled, Why I'm So Wise, Why I'm So Clever, and Why I Write Such Good Books. So, if we look at the options, one thing is for sure, D is out. It says his self-effacing writing. Self-effacing would be modest. Okay, to efface is to uh, expunge oneself of any kind of credit. So it would be called modest. Now, no, Nietzsche is anything but modest in these writings, or at least in these in his autobiography, which is mentioned in the last paragraph. Now, his criticism of fellow authors is not mentioned in this passage, so we can eliminate that. His anti-Christian views. Now, if we go back to this passage here, he doesn't talk about he doesn't talk against Christianity. He does talk about it in another book, but in his autobiography he doesn't. So we can't infer that the author thinks that that's a possible indication of his impending mental collapse. But his increasingly narcissistic writings, now the word I in the title suggests that Nietzsche has started showing signs of narcissism. In fact, the last line which is mentioned, why I am a destiny. Now he claims that he is a destiny because he regards his anti-moral truths as having the annihilating power of intellectual dynamite. Now all this will definitely support option A, and that's the answer to the question.